Okay, well, here's yours. And Kennedy, here's yours. Owen, go stand by Kennedy in a minute.
Daddy, doesn't mine have anything?
Go stand by Kennedy in a minute.
Do
Do you guys know what it says?
What?
Owen, yours says big brother. Kennedy, yours says big sister. What do you think that means?
I'm a big sister.
So what do you think that means?
But we're the same age. How can you be big sisters and big brothers?
What do you think that means? Owen, what do you think that means? How would you be a big brother or sister?
I don't know.
Like, think of Deacon. Deacon is Crew's big brother, and Crew is the little brother. Lucy is a big sister, and Jack is a little brother.
That doesn't make any sense.
Do you guys want me to just tell you? That means that we're going to have a baby.
Can I take off this? Can I take this?
Oh, and did you hear Mom?
Mom's going to have a baby.
You?
Yeah. You're
Wait.
going to be a big brother. Are you excited?
Yeah. I don't really have a baby.
Yeah, there's a baby in my belly right now.
I know you're kidding.
Now,
No,
that was just my appointment that I went to.
Where was the baby?
It's in my belly.
How did you take it out?
Because it's not ready to come out until after we're all done.
Kennedy,
planning,
finish putting your shirt on.
Halloween, then it will come out.
When it,
Push on my belly. You know how Mommy's been so sick and I've been eating those crackers? That's because I'm pregnant and it makes me really sick.
Mom, tell the truth. Mommy has a baby.
They think I'm lying. Mom, tell the truth. I am telling the truth, honey. It's a miracle. Mom and Daddy didn't know it. God put that baby there.
That is so funny.
Can you believe it?
Next time will you go to school, I'm going to tell Mrs. Beers my dad.
Are you?
You have a baby in your belly.
Okay, well, we can't tell everybody yet. Okay, it's kind of new.
it's still kind of a secret.
Okay.
I know it's for today.
No, Owen, we're
I'll
serious.
show you a picture of the baby, but you can't really see it yet. I had an ultrasound a long time ago. You know when Mommy and Daddy went to Mexico?
Yeah.
I found out the day Mom and Dad left for Mexico that I had a baby in my belly. And so when I got home from Mexico, I went to the doctor. And do you see that round circle?
Yeah.
That is a little baby.
I can't believe
I know you can't believe it because it doesn't look like it yet.